Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create running sum of numbers using pointers in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, supporting, leaving a comment and suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically, I'm using dev C++ in running this program, so it can be run also in code blocks. Some of my viewers are asking what type of C++ compiler or environment that I'm using. So here we go, dev C++, no? So it is free to download in their website. So we have here sharp include IOStream. In every C++, the IOStream is used primarily guys for input output using namespace std. Line number 6 int main. It is a function that is being executed and terminated in every C++ program. Line number 7 begin, and then we have used several variables and array, one-dimensional array here, declaration 30 elements, and then int sum and in pointers. Line number 10 new line. Line number 11 we have here the title 2 \t or horizontal tab, running sum of numbers using pointers in C++. New line, enter how many elements, variable n for I equals 1, I less than or equals to n, I increment here, new line, enter value number I, cn array 1, pointer array ampersand array I, sum plus equals array I, count, running sum here, and then we close our for loop statement, new line, and then pause, system pause, and then we have here closing the main function. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so let us compile and run. Okay, so running sum of numbers using pointers in C. Let's say we have here 8, let's say 2 5 2 3, the running sum is 5. Let's say we have 1, the running sum is 6. Let's see 6, the running sum is 12. 3, the running sum is 15. 5, running sum 20. Another 5, running sum is 25. 12, running sum is 37. Press any key, it will terminate. Okay, that's correct, the result is perfectly done. Another example, let's say we have 5, 1, the running sum is 1, 2, the running sum is 3, 4, the running sum is 7, 5, the running sum is 12, 6, the running sum is 18, press any key. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create running sum of numbers using pointers in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you want to support my channel, I have a Patreon, GCash here in the Philippines, and PayPal. I hope that you will be generous enough to help me out in my channel. Thank you so much in advance. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.